How to optimize your marketing media spend for the best ROI. Enter marketing mix modeling. Using Lifesight's unified marketing measurement platform, businesses can build robust marketing mix models to optimize their media budgets and improve marketing ROI. Here's how you can build a marketing mix model using Lifesight. Before creating a model using your integrated data, you'll need to fetch it from our range of integrations to ensure your data is always in sync, or you can upload it in a CSV format. Once we've finished integration, go to the Marketing Mix Modeling page and click the Create Model button to get started. Select Integrated Data on the screen and click Next. This will fetch the data from integrated sources to the Lifesight. Now, let's map the schema to the data types in Lifesight. We recommend that you collect and integrate at least a year's worth of data at daily or weekly granularity, though weekly is preferable for increased accuracy. We've used weekly data in this demo. Various data types, like marketing spend, ad channel impressions, organic data such as Facebook likes, or contextual data such as competitor sales that influence the sales, are provided to the model. Once you've finished mapping the schema, name your model and click Next to proceed. In the final steps, we'll configure the model. Here, seasonality refers to predictable patterns that repeat over a fixed period. Holidays are days when sales might peak, and trends represent long-term shifts like rising prices. Now, if we go into advanced settings, you can set ad stock decays and saturation curves here. The ad stock decay rate quantifies ad campaign effectiveness. Online display ads decay fast, while TV ads decay slower due to their lasting impact. And saturation curves pinpoint when extra ad spending stops yielding significant sales gains. If you've already run experiments, you can provide the data for the channel that had a true causal impact on your revenue to calibrate the model. Now, click on Create Model to proceed. Once the model training is completed, the status changes from training in progress to success. It takes about 30 minutes to an hour for the platform to prepare the model. Your model's now ready. You'll see a confidence level, indicating model accuracy from 0 to 100%. It's 99% for this model. We'll guide you through how to analyze the model in the next video. Ready to maximize your ROI on your media spend? Book a demo now.